All right, guys, 2019 Ford Raptor EcoBoost V6. Let me show you guys what we've done to it. So, it's got a cat there. So I got factory resonator right there. Then 3-inch pipe. Then we installed 2 BORLA attacks in place of the muffler right there. Part number 400832. There'll be a link in the description for it. Then the True Duals continues out the back on each side. And does it have the resonators? I do not see resonators anywhere. So that's good. No resonators. And then tips out the back on each side rolled. And there's the muffler that was on it that we took off right there. It's a dual in, dual out. If you guys didn't know, the Ford Raptors come with a dual in, dual out muffler. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. All right, here we go, guys. Ford Raptor with 2 BORLA attack mufflers. Go ahead, True Duals. Idle. Idle's right at 75. Go ahead and get a gas. Again. Yeah, so much better. All right, got it. Again, let me give you guys sound decibels with it revving. Right at 99. All right, go ahead and back it up, bro. And if you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's our beautiful shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. Come and see us. And come check out our other channels. We have also Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Snapchat. We're everywhere. Because that's what you got to do to be the leader of the pack. You got to be everywhere all the time. Ford Raptor with True Dual BORLA attacks. Still got the resonator on it. He's bringing it back next week. We'll do round 2 with it. That is the cleanest Raptor I heard. I like that BORLA attack. What do you guys think for an EcoBoost too? You can't beat that. That sounds really, really clean. Hope you guys like it. All right, guys, round 2 on this Ford Raptor. He was here last week and then brought it back this week. Let me show you guys what we've done. We did BORLAs last week. And he's like, it's not loud enough. So he brought it back. Still got factory cats. Then we took the mid resonator off there and added an X pipe in its place. Then the BORLA attacks stayed the same right there. Tailpipes out the back. Now there's no more resonators on it. It's just BORLA attack mufflers with an X pipe and stock cats. All right, so BORLA attack mufflers, stock cats out the back on this Ford Raptor 2019 EcoBoost. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And there's that massive resonator that we took off right there. That's where we put the X pipe. All right, round 2, Ford Raptor with X pipe and BORLA attack mufflers, True Duals. Go ahead. Already louder, yeah. Here's right at 77. Go ahead. better. That's perfect. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 104. That's perfect. One more. And if you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. That's our beautiful shop with the excavator over there. They're building something down there. Right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. Next step is the tips next week.
Next week.
Yeah. He has to come visit us once a week. I love it. Yeah, it needed that, man. It's so much better. Let you guys hear on the inside. Ford Raptor with BORLA Attack and X-Pipe for your viewing pleasure. This sounds freaking awesome. That's an EcoBoost, by the way, guys. Wow. BORLA Attack is the way to go with an X-Pipe. Remember that, guys. Enjoy. All right, guys, so we got a 2018 Ford Raptor. I like the carbon fiber wheel hub. We just did a muffler delete on it for him, a dual in, dual out. One more. So there it is. That's what a muffler delete sounds like. Thanks, Sebastian, bro. Have a blessed one, bro. Get down on it when you leave, okay? Let's go. Here we go. Told him we'll do him a little reel on Instagram. That's what a muffler delete on a Raptor sounds like. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments.